Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really like it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really like it.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I love some.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I love some.
Is this your book?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Is this your book?
Yes, it's my favorite.
What are your plans?
I'll stay home today.
What are your plans?
I'll stay home today.
Can I borrow this?
Yes, you can borrow it.
Can I borrow this?
Yes, you can borrow it.
Can you wait here?
Sure, I'll wait here.
Can you wait here?
Sure, I'll wait here.
What did you hear?
I didn't hear anything.
What did you hear?
I didn't hear anything.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's quite cold.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's quite cold.
Can you call him?
Yes, I will call him.
Can you call him?
Yes, I will call him.
How do you feel?
I feel good today.
How do you feel?
I feel good today.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I finished it.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I finished it.
What's your plan?
I plan to relax.
What's your plan?
I plan to relax.
Can you help me?
Yes, I'm coming now.
Can you help me?
Yes, I'm coming now.
Is this your phone?
Yes, that's my phone.
Is this your phone?
Yes, that's my phone.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'm coming with you.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'm coming with you.
Are we leaving now?
Yes, we are leaving now.
Are we leaving now?
Yes, we are leaving now.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
Where is my wallet?
It's on the counter.
Where is my wallet?
It's on the counter.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked the door.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked the door.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Where are the keys?
They are on the table.
Where are the keys?
They are on the table.
Where is the charger?
It's in my bag.
Where is the charger?
It's in my bag.
What do you think?
I think it's perfect.
What do you think?
I think it's perfect.
Can you fix this for me?
Yes, I will fix it.
Can you fix this for me?
Yes, I will fix it.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I feel much better.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I feel much better.
Did you receive my message?
Yes, I received it.
Did you receive my message?
Yes, I received it.
Do you like this?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like this?
Yes, I love it.
What's in the bag?
Just some groceries.
What's in the bag?
Just some groceries.
Is the car ready?
Yes, it's all set.
Is the car ready?
Yes, it's all set.
Do you understand this?
Yes, I understand it.
Do you understand this?
Yes, I understand it.
Did you find it?
Yes, I found it.
Did you find it?
Yes, I found it.
Can we leave now?
Yes, let's go.
Can we leave now?
Yes, let's go.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's sunny now.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's sunny now. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.